A lot of serious injuries happen on the work site. Sometimes the worker who's injured is going to have their rights limited under the workers' compensation laws, and sometimes not. This is something that needs to be looked into early.
If you're hurt on the job due to somebody's negligence besides your employer, then you can sue that company and get a recovery. You're not limited to workers' compensation.
Big industrial construction sites, agricultural sites, people suffer serious injuries, and oftentimes the manufacturers of those machines knew the machines were dangerous but kept putting them into the marketplace.
Zeferino Vasquez was rendered paraplegic by a hydraulically powered ram, a hay baling machine. He was 22 years old at the time.
At the time of my accident, I was working at the ORPAC as a hay baler machine operator. At the end of 10 hours of my shift, I saw the machine was off. While I was cleaning the machine, suddenly my body was crushed. I was paralyzed.
They reduced his body at that point to 1.5 inches wide. That crush point was unnecessary to the operation of the machine. The machine would have worked just as well if there had been 18 inches of space when the ram stopped.
I worked with Kafori and McDougall and Lourdes Sanchez to go to trial for my case. The other side offered me $3 million to settle my case, but I believe in my lawyers, and we won a lot more.
Time and again, we find out that the manufacturer of a product has hurt many other people. For example, we had a man that was injured by a hay baler. One of the other attorneys in this office contacted every state that that company had ever sold anything to get all the OSHA reports, all the reports of injuries.
One of the great benefits of the civil justice system is that when companies put out products or machines which are defective, which are dangerous, lawsuits can help change the marketplace so that these kinds of dangerous instrumentalities don't get produced anymore.
That's why it's important, if you've had a serious injury on a job site, to contact an attorney.
Our justice system lets undocumented workers get justice. Your immigration status does not matter to be able to bring a claim. Not once have we had someone bringing a claim reported to immigration by the other side.
I really enjoy working with Kafori McDougall, and we've been friends ever since.